In this module, we're going to look at the step sequencer and arpeggiator. So starting with the step sequencer, if I want to send this oscillator to it, all I need to do is turn it on. And then if I right click it, then it automatically switches this lower section to the step sequencer. And you can hear now when I press a note, we get a rhythmic pattern of steps instead of just a sustained note. At the moment, this is a synchronized speed of 1/32, as in each step. And I can change this to a different speed if I want to slow it down. And so on. If I want to, I could just turn off all these steps here so I can create my own pattern. So you can see now we have our kind of main beats every 4 here marked out. So I could turn them on by right clicking and maybe change the levels a little bit. Maybe add some notes in between. If you want to join up any of these steps here, you can just click on the arrows. Or if we separate them again and then change the gate amount here, I can reduce the size of each step to make it a bit more staccatoed. So you can really hear that fast rhythm now. You can add a decay here to have a bit of a fade between steps to make it slightly less just on and off. And I can change the length here, so the number of steps we've got, if I want to create a more complex pattern. And also we've got a volume mix dial here, which is really useful because it can reduce the severity, or the, if you like, the dry-wet balance of the gate in order to make it a bit subtler. And we've got the ability to apply some shuffle as well at the end here, which is pretty handy. And of course you can select one of a whole load of different presets if you want to see what Avenger provides. And then at the bottom here you can see there's also a stereo mode, which is really cool. So if we switch it to stereo, now we get separate sections for the left and right channels. So we could create some differences here to have the sound contain a little bit more stereo information, to have it kind of going from right to left. So yeah, really useful section for creating rhythmic patches when you hold down notes.